So let's move on to question number 7A. So company L and company U are in the same risk class and identical in all aspects, except the L uses debt while U doesn't. So levered company. So when it is said to be levered company, so the company is having equity as well as loans. That is called levered company. If the company is having only equity, it is unlevered company. So levered company has 18 lakh debentures carrying 10% rate of interest. So both the companies earn 20% before interest and taxes on the total assets of 30 lakhs. Assume perfect capital market tax rate of 50% and capitalization rate of 15% for an all equity company. Compute the value. So this is similar to the book problem. So little bit changes they have given. One is in the textbook problem, they have calculated the overall cost of company using NOA approach. So here they have asked for NA approach. That is the only difference, except everything is similar. So here compute the value of both the companies using NA approach. What is NA approach? That is net income approach. So NA means net income approach. So this is net income approach. This is based on net operating income. NOI is net operating income. So based on both this, we need to calculate. So let's calculate this. So for net income approach, first we need to calculate what is profit after tax and all, everything we need to calculate. So net income, first I'm going to calculate net income. So net income, they have given what? The companies earn 20% before interest and taxes on the total of 30 lakhs. So this is before interest and taxes. So both the companies will be earning same amount of profits. That is, on 30 lakhs of assets, they are earning 20%. That means 6 lakhs is their net income before interest and tax. That means nothing but your EBIT. This is nothing but your earnings before interest and taxes. So if I am considering for company L, that is levered, and company U, unlevered company. So EBIT is 6 lakhs for both the companies are same. Then I am calculating interest. So less interest. So interest will be applicable for only for levered company, because levered company will be having interest, and non-levered company, there is no need to pay interest because there is no loans at all. So I need to calculate interest amount. So how much I am having debts? So 18 lakhs, right? So 18 lakhs, in that I have to pay 10% as interest. So interest for company L, that is 18 lakhs into 10%. That means 1,80,000 we will be getting. So here 1,80,000, here it is 0. So my EBT, that is earnings before tax, 4,20,000 and 6 lakhs. Then I want to calculate tax now. So tax. So tax, they have given us 50%. So remember, it is 50%. Since it is a perfect capital market, so tax rate will be similar for both the companies as well. So I want to calculate 4,20,000 into 0.5. Here it is 6 lakhs into 0.5. That means 3 lakhs. So earnings after tax, that is profit after tax or earnings after tax, whatever. So 4,20,000 minus 2,10,000. So 2,10,000 here, 6 minus 3, 3 lakhs. This is my profit after tax. Now, KE is 15 percentage. So they have given capitalization rate is 15 percentage. So here you can see capitalization rate is 15%. So then for NI approach, I will be calculating based on earnings after tax, right? So equity. So equity is how much? 21 lakhs, sorry, 2,10,000 divided by 15 percentage. Here it is 3 lakhs divided by 15 percentage. So I will be getting 14 lakhs. Here it is 20 lakhs. So now I want to add debentures. So debentures in the questions that they are given for level company, it is 18 lakhs. So here it is 0. So value of firm will be equity plus debt, right? So 32 lakhs, here it is 20 lakhs. So this is the value of firm. So let's calculate WACC. So weighted average cost of capital. So they have asked based on NI approach only. So WACC for unlevered firm, it is cost of capital only because there is no debt. So it is same as cost of capital. So for levered for unlevered firm, WACC will be same as KE, that is 15%. So I want to calculate for levered firm. So levered firm WACC I want to calculate. So we have debentures as well as equity. So I want to calculate what? See, they have asked cost of capital overall. That means here we need to apply weighted average cost because we have two weightages, right? So I can't go as it is. So let's calculate weighted average cost of capital. So for equity purposes, my cost of equity is 15%, right? So here it is 14 lakhs. So 14 lakhs is my equity. So 15 divided by total, that is 32 lakhs. My total value of firm is 32 lakhs. So I will be getting 6.5625% for debt. So you usually remember for that we always go on after tax. That is KD after tax I want to calculate first. So KD is 10 percentage. So after tax, KD after tax I want to calculate, that is 10 into after tax, that is 1 minus 50% is going for taxation, right? So remember 50 percentage only will be KD after tax, that is 5 percentage. So my loan value is 18 lakhs divided by 32. So this is my weightage. So into 5. So that means I will be getting 2.81%. So total overall cost of capital. So overall cost of capital, that is KO, is 9.375 percentage. So this everything is in percentage. So this is regarding to NI approach. So now I'm going to calculate based on NOI. So based on NOI. So value of firm based on NOI. So for NOI, that is net operating income approach. So first I need to calculate value of unlevered firm. That is company U. So formula is EBIT into 1 minus T divided by KE. So EBIT is 6 lakhs, right? That is before taxes. So I have to calculate 6 lakhs. That is company, unlevered company EBIT. Already here we have that is 6 lakhs into 1 minus 0.5 divided by KE, which is 15%. So I will be getting 20 lakhs for unlevered firm. So now for value for levered firm. So value for levered firm, which is company L. So value of unlevered firm plus debt into tax rate. So that is 20 lakhs. My debt will be 18 lakhs, right? So 18 lakhs into tax rate 0.5. So 20 lakhs plus 9 lakhs, it will be 29 lakhs you will be getting. So it's a very simple and easy question. So based on our study material itself. So hope this is crystal clear now. So now move on to next one. So 7B. So this is also a very easy question. So they have asked calculate degree of operating leverage, financial leverage, degree of combined leverage. So they have given. So if we know the formulas, we can easily score 7 marks in this questions. So for first, we need to calculate. So, what is the formula for degree of operating leverage? That is contribution divided by, so C divided by EBIT, right? So, that is contribution divided by EBIT. So, why we need to calculate first contribution here. So, then financial leverage formula is EBIT divided by. So, we need to calculate contribution EBIT and EBT. So, we need to calculate all these things. So here they have given fixed assets turnover ratio is 3, fixed operating cost of 2 lakhs and variable operating cost ratio is 40%. So income tax rate is 30% they have given. So here we need to calculate contribution EBIT. So for and EBT. So for calculating contribution, we need sales and variable cost. So for sales, they have given indirect information only. That is total assets turnover ratio they have given. So what is the formula for asset turnover ratio? That is sales divided by total assets, right? So here I don't know, say this is equal to 3. So here I don't know sales. So sales is equal to 3 into my total assets, which is 4 lakhs. This is my total assets. So 3 into 4 lakhs. So that means 12 lakhs is my sales. So now so assets turnover ratio is equal to sales divided by total assets. That is sales is equal to 3 into 4 lakhs, which is 12 lakhs. So now I have sales, that is 12 lakhs. So they have said variable operating cost is 40%. So always it will be calculated on sales. So remember that. So less variable cost, which is 12 lakhs into 40%, that is 0.4. So 4,80,000. So contribution will be 12 minus 4,80,000, that is 7,20,000. So my less fixed cost. So they have given fixed cost information. So fixed operating cost is 2 lakhs. So this is EBIT. That means 7,20,000 minus 2 lakhs. So now I want to calculate tax. So tax is 30% is my tax rate. So that is 5,20,000 into 0.3. So IT minus tax, that is profit after tax or EAT, whatever you can say. 5,20,000 minus 1,56,000, that is, sorry, here I missed your information. I want to calculate interest. So interest, after that only I will be getting EBT, right? So just a second, EBT. So interest. So here I am having 10% long term debt. That is 1,60,000 into 10%. 16,000. That is 1,60,000 into 0.1. So 16,000. So I will be getting EBT as 5.04. So now I will be calculating degree of operating leverage. So formula is contribution divided by EBIT. That is 7,20,000 divided by EBIT is 5,20,000. So I will have 1.385. Now degree of financial leverage, that is EBIT divided by EBT. So EBIT is 5,20,000. EBT is 5,04,000. So I will be having 1.03. Then degree of combined leverage. So that is C divided by EBT. So contribution is 7,20,000 divided by EBT is 5,04,000. So we will be having 1.43. So again, this is a simple problem. So only we need to know the formulas. So if we know all the formulas, we can easily calculate. So don't start because of sales is not given. So apply all the formulas, whatever they have given in the question, so that we will be getting. So practice well. So please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. All the best for your exams.